Thanks for joining us. We're excited to walk you through the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco and Bronco Pro Drum Smoker Easy Assembly. Let's get started. You'll need the following tools for today's assembly. This smoker will require 2 people to assemble it at some points. Make sure you have someone on hand who can help you through the process. Assemble your smoker on a level, protective surface to prevent damage to the unit. The outer carton is ideal for this purpose. Place the carton topside up. Cut all 4 corners with a utility knife and allow the carton panels to lay flat. Turn both the upper and lower barrel bodies upside down. Find the notch on the rim of the lower barrel. This marks the front and center for proper placement when you set it on top of the upper barrel. It should align with the Oklahoma Joe's logo. Secure the lower barrel to the upper with 6 hex bolts and washers. Tighten all the bolts. With the front of the smoker facing you, attach the 2 legs to the left side of the lower barrel with 3 hex bolts each. Fully tighten them. On the other side, attach the wheel brackets. Note that there is a front and rear bracket, which are separated by their bolt placements. Do not fully tighten these bolts to the barrel. Place the lower air intake channel between the legs and attach it to the lower barrel using 3 hex bolts. Now you'll put the wheels on your smoker. Run the axle through one wheel and then through the 2 wheel brackets. Slide the other wheel onto the axle and secure it into place by placing the flat washer on the axle, then pushing the hitch pin through the hole at the end. Fully tighten the bolts on the wheel brackets. With your helper, turn the smoker over onto its wheels and legs. Then thread the temperature gauge into the bushing located on the lid. Adjust the gauge so it's aligned correctly, then tighten the lock nut using an adjustable wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten or use the face of the gauge to tighten, as you could damage it. To install the smokestack, open the lid of the barrel and push it through from the inside. Then secure it with 3 5/8" bolts and nuts, making sure to insert the bolts from the outside. Then attach the handle using 4 5/8" bolts and nuts. Attach the 3 grate supports around the barrel using 2 nuts and bolts per support. Note the shape of the supports and how they're being attached here. Connect the upper air intake channel to the lower with the 2 attached bolts going through the barrel. Secure the air intake with 2 nuts. Insert the side handle on the left side of the smoker and secure it with 2 bolts and washers. Then insert the shelf assembly on the right side, securing it with 2 bolts and washers. For the Bronco Pro only, attach the nameplate to the back of the smoker and secure it with 2 washers and bolts. Now place these parts in the smoker in this order: ash pan support, ash pan, charcoal basket, and charcoal grate. They should all stack in or on each other. Then place the heat deflector inside where it will rest on the rim of the lower barrel. The final step depends on how you plan to smoke your food. Use the cooking grate if you plan on laying items flat. If you want to hang food for smoking, insert the food hangers around the inside edge of the smoker. Congratulations on assembling your Bronco smoker. Please follow the instructions in your manual to season your smoker before you start cooking.